Good morning, children. Today we'll do exercise 2.4. I'm going to explain you. Just in the first question, you have to find the division. This question is totally based on division. So, 12 divided by 3 by 4. One or two question I am doing for you, and I think after that you will understand and can do yourself. Now just see. In question number 1, I have written here 12 divided by 3 by 4. It means first number will be written as it is 12 multiplied by this number will get reversed, that is 4 upon 3. Now you will divide 12 by 3. 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12. So your answer will be 4 multiplied by 4, that is 16. The second question I am doing here 3 divided by 2, 1 by 3. So it is a mixed fraction. So first you have to convert it into improper fraction. How you will convert? 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6, plus 1 7, 7 upon 3. So it became 3 divided by 7 upon 3. In the next step, this number will get reversed and you will get 3 multiplied by 3 upon 7, that is 3 3s are 9 upon 7. So this is the answer. In question number 2, it is asked to find the reciprocal of the numbers, fractions, and also tell whether the fraction is improper fraction, proper fraction, or whole number. So just see, I am showing you with the example. If it is 9 upon 7, then reciprocal of 9 upon 7 will be 7 upon 9. Here numerator is smaller than denominator, so it is a proper fraction. Now if I take another example, that is 7 upon 9, then reciprocal of 7 upon 9 will be 9 upon 7. Here numerator is greater than denominator, so it is improper fraction. Now another example I am showing you. If it is written 1 by 9, then this equals to okay children, now I am going to take another example like 1 by 8. If it is 1 by 8, so reciprocal of 1 by 8 will be 8 upon 1. So it is a whole number. This will be whole number. So in this way you have understood that which fraction will become improper fraction, which is proper fraction, and which is whole number. Now we come to the next question, that is question 3. Here also there is division and you have to do one example I am doing for you, that is 7 upon 3 divided by 2 by 1. Question 3, 1. 7 by 3 divided by 2 by 1. So this can be written as 7 by 3, first number will be as it is and second number will be reversed, that is 1 by 2. Now here none of the number can be cancelled, so your answer will be 7 1s are 7 upon 3 2s are 6. So this will be your answer. One more example I am doing for you, that is 3 1 by 2 divided by 4 by 1. So this also can be written as 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. So 7 upon 2 multiplied by 1 by 4. Here also none of the number are divisible, so we will directly multiply. 7 1s are 7 upon 4 2s are 8. So this will be your answer. Now we come to question number 4. Here I am doing one example for you, that is 3 1 by 5 divided by 1 2 by 3. So first of all you have to convert it into improper fraction. So 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16, that is 16 upon 5 divided by 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5 upon 3. So in the next step you get 16 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 5. So here by cross multiplication you can see no one can be cancelled. So we get 16 3s are 48 upon 5 5s are 25. So this will be your answer. So in this way children, rest of the questions you have to do yourself.